Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In this video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding names of different colors. Okay, so follow me as I open up the slashes now and transcribe them one after the other for sounding. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Okay, so let's go. It's going to be a very short video. This is green. Bring in your book. Green, and this is blue. Most people call it blue. It is not blue, but blue. Blue, just release it. Blue, okay? And this one is red. This is yellow. Yellow. And this is brown. This one is orange. Orange color. Orange. That's it. And this is purple. Okay. And this one is pink. Pink. And this is white. The H is silent. And this one is gray. Color gray. And this is gold. And this one is silver. Silver. Okay. Let me close them up and then we sound them together. All right. This is green. Green. Blue. Blue. Not blue, but blue. Color blue. I hear blue. Blue most times, okay? But blue. Red. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Brown. Brown. Orange. Orange. Purple. Color purple. Pink. Pink. White. White. Gray. Gray. Gold. Gold. Silver. Silver. Let me go over it just once more. Green. Green. Blue. Blue. Remember, not blue, but blue. Blue. Red. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Brown. Brown. Orange. Orange. Purple. Purple. Pink. Pink. White. White. Gray. Gray. Gold. Gold. Silver. Silver. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please encourage me by subscribing. Bye.